Today I'm gonna make an Italian hot chocolate. It's a little bit creamier than what you're used to, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. Over here we have 100% unsweetened chocolate. We're gonna start by chopping it up. So there you go. Start cutting it into little pieces. Oh my Lord. This chocolate is flying all over the place. So we're gonna put here about a 1/4 cup of milk, and we're gonna mix in here a tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're just gonna whisk this all together. Now our cornstarch is gonna help thicken our Italian hot chocolate. Now put 1 cup of milk in your sauce pot. Now on medium heat, you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cacao, a little pinch of salt, and whisk it all together. Once all your ingredients are properly integrated, you can introduce your chopped up chocolate and pour over your cornstarch milk and whisk everything together. Look how thick that's becoming. Once it starts getting thick, you can take it off the stove. Oh yeah, look at that. Your kids are gonna love this. Now this Italian hot chocolate is so decadent and creamy. I love eating it with a spoon. It tastes like Christmas. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos on screen. And for the holiday seasons, I got this great gift suggestion that you can get your friends. Check out my cookbook. You could find the link in the description below or click the book on the screen.